on to our next matchup. Introducing first, the Berserker, Shredder, Ragnarok. Ragnarok are the 2 out of the 3 in this 3-on-3 matchup. Let's see how they do in this match. And their partner, from parts unknown, Crucifer Zod. Crucifer Zod had a 3-match series with Lightning Mike Williams, but at the last one he lost, so it's Lightning Mike who will have a title shot against Dr. Hertz. But let's see if Crucifer Zod could win this match. First team. And their opponents, Pretty Boy Dan and Pretty Boy Jared, the Pretty Boys. PWP's Pretty Boys, they'll be teaming up with one of their own PWP buddies, so let's see how they do in this matchup. And their partner, from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Benjamin. PWP's Benjamin been having a very long rivalry with Pimp Daddy Payne. But let's see how he does in this one. Ragnarok and Drew already. Ben and the Pretty Boys already. There's the bell. Here we go. This 3-on-3 tornado tag team. The Shredder attacks first. Drew's running the ropes. Takes him down. Ben going after the Berserker. Drew going after Dan. Shredder with the uppercut. Ooh, he gets struck. And the German. He has him back up. Suplex. Berserker got Ben up. Ooh. Ooh, clothesline into the corner. Jared is back in. I don't know why he went up, but oh well. Dan gets back up. Oh, and he misses the elbow, but he gets clotheslined. The Shredder's outside. He's back in the ring. Okay, that's weird. Ben is outside. He has him up. Berserker's just showing off. Oh! Oh, he got hit by his own partner. That's very bad miscommunication. It is crazy. Tornado tag teams are like this. They're insane and crazy. He has Berserker up for a power bomb and a blockbuster. But he missed that one though. Oh, but he still takes him down. He has Lucifer up. Down he goes. Striking the Berserker. Shoulder blocked by Lucifer. Tosses him to the other side of the ring. Shredder has him but kicked in the back. Berserker out of the ring. Elbow to the face. Holding for the pin. One. And just a 1 count. Ooh. Straight to the head. And another straight to the head. And has him up and tosses him. Shredder's out of the ring. So it's Berserker. So 3-on-1 right now. Super kick. Ooh, elbow to the face. Oh. Oh, another super kick on Lucifer Zod. Goes for the pin. 1, 2, and just a 2 count. Berserker's getting in the middle of the ring. Goes for the pin. 1. Shredder interrupts. Uh-oh. He has him in the middle rope. Looks like he's going for the 666. And he connects. He should just go pin. Nope. Berserker has Ben. Oh. And he goes for a power bomb. Gets him back up. Has him up. Double-handed chokeslam. And I don't know what just happened there, but okay. I don't understand. They should just go for the pin, but I guess they want to inflict more pain. Oh well. Tosses him. Interrupts. And he missed that knee. Oh, he catches the super kick. Oh no, he didn't catch that one though. He looks like he's going up. Oh, but he gets interrupted. Oh, super kick. Another one on Lucifer Zod. Going for the pin. Oh, ring break. Rope break. But he pins 1, 2, and just a 2 count. Striking him, Lucifer's on the back. So much mess, so much chaos. Everybody's interrupting everybody. He has them up. Power bomb. Looks like those two are taking a break. Oh wait, I think he's just. Wait, why'd you wait so long for a pin? It's AI. He lands on Juice for Zod's out of the ring. Oh, Rough Rider. He's going after the Party Boy. He has him up. Oh, he reverses it. DDT. Berserker for the pin. But he stops it there. Oh. Roll up. But the rope breaks it. Oh, and the referee goes down. That's the danger in doing these types of matches. The referee will really get injured or hurt. He has him up, and down he goes. Juicifer waiting for him to get back up. He has him kneel before Zod. He goes for the pin. One. And he stops it there. And a power bomb by Ben. He's waiting for him to get back up. And the spear. He interrupts the pin. Yeah, this is a big mess. Maybe for the next one it should be a 6-tag elimination, not just whoever pins wins automatically, because this is a mess. And a power bomb. Juicer gets him up. Oh, 1, 2. Ooh, just a 2 count. Almost. Ben is out of the ring. Berserker has him. Has him down. All 3 in the ring. You're interrupted. He has him up. That was a big mess. Everything. Oh, kick to the head. It was like a super kick, but he gets out of what Shredder was gonna do. Power bomb. A lot of power bombs in this match. He gets out of headbutt. Oh, he connects. And a power bomb on Juice for Zod. This is like a power bomb party. And what in the world? Whatever. I have no words for this match. Everything's just insane. Oh, super kick to the back of the head. Everything's just a big fangled mess. It's insane. He goes for the pin. 1, 2. Just a 2 count. Shredder gets out of it. He has him. There's Zod still outside. Oh, Rough Rider. Shredder interrupts. He goes for the pin. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, just a 2 count. A power bomb by the Berserker. We get the attack returned. He gets out of it. Look at that takedown. That was nice. Out of the ring he rolls. Double-handed choke slam. More like a toss, but whatever. Whatever. Oh, elbows to the face. Another elbow to the face. And strike. Oh, he gets out of it. Kick to the back. Elbow to the face. 1, 2. Ooh, just a 2 count. He has him up. He gets out of it by poking his eye. Wait, what happens? What the hell is going on? Oh, he interrupted. This match is a mess, like I said. He has him up with Berserker. Oh, he reversed to a DDT. With that, he stopped the move Berserker was doing. Super kick on the Shredder. And, he was going to go for Zod, but he attacked his own team member. Something that we've seen a lot in this matchup. Oh, he stopped the pin. Super kick on Berserker. Oh, Zod stopped that. And going after Zod. Chop on Zod. Oh, another interruption. Looks like he's going for a powerbomb, but nope, clothesline in return. He gets taken down. Oh, and he hits his own partner. This miscommunication is out of hand. Okay, he's winning. This could be the end. He catches it. Oh, but he didn't. He goes for the pin. 1, 2, 3, and it's over. The winner of this matchup, PWP. Here's a replay. Once again, here are your winners. Pretty Boy Jared, Pretty Boy Dan, and Ben the Wall Jammin'. PWP.